Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate watermelon every day? This juicy, refreshing fruit is not only a summertime staple, but it's also packed with nutrients that can provide your body with some amazing benefits. Stay tuned as we reveal what happens to your body when you eat watermelon every day, and the surprising secret that could change your perspective on this beloved fruit forever. But did you know that watermelon can do much more than quench your thirst? Eating watermelon every day can lead to some pretty interesting things happening in your body. So let's dive into the science and find out what they are. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it nature's juiciest way to stay hydrated. But did you know that there is a shocking truth about watermelon that most people aren't aware of? When you think of watermelon, the first thing that comes to mind is summertime, sweet, juicy, hydration. Number 1, hydration hero. We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for our bodies. But did you know that watermelon is one of the most hydrating foods out there? Experts say that drinking enough water every day supports many functions in your body, including brain function, energy levels, and even your metabolism. So if you're looking for a delicious and refreshing way to support your heart health, why not try adding a slice of watermelon to your next meal? You might be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your overall well-being. When you eat watermelon, the water gets absorbed into your bloodstream and transported throughout your body, helping to keep you hydrated. And who doesn't want that? So next time you see a juicy slice of watermelon, dig in and let the hydration begin. It turns out that this hydrating fruit is actually a great source of citrulline, an amino acid that plays a key role in reducing muscle soreness and improving recovery time. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps to dilate your blood vessels, allowing for increased blood flow to your muscles. Number 2. Heart health support. Just one slice of watermelon can provide you with a significant amount of citrulline, helping you get the most out of your workouts and feel your best. According to studies, consuming lycopene-rich foods such as watermelon can help improve overall heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which is often caused by an unhealthy diet or lifestyle. So if you want to achieve a natural glow, consider adding watermelon to your skincare routine. This juicy fruit is packed with vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy and glowing skin. And don't forget to protect your skin from the sun. While watermelon can help you achieve a healthy glow, it's important to take steps to prevent sunburn and other skin damage caused by excessive sun exposure. Vitamin B6 helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, which are chemicals that carry messages between nerve cells and play a key role in mood, sleep, and concentration. But did you know that this versatile fruit can also boost your brain and mood? That's right. So if you're feeling stressed or in need of a mood boost, try incorporating more watermelon into your diet. In fact, studies have shown that taking citrulline supplements can reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time in athletes by as much as 40. Eating too much watermelon can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to insulin resistance, which can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It also stimulates collagen production, which is a protein that keeps your skin firm and wrinkle-free. This can lead to obesity and related health issues such as heart disease and stroke. It turns out that this juicy fruit is packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce cholesterol and lower blood pressure. From hydration to heart health, muscle recovery, skin and glow-up gains, and brain and mood boosts, watermelon truly has it all. The excessive water intake can also lead to dehydration, which can cause headaches, fatigue, and dizziness. So grab a slice of watermelon today and experience the delicious benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out these other healthy and delicious options. You won't regret it. While a moderate intake of watermelon can provide you with numerous health benefits, eating too much of this fruit can actually spike your blood sugar levels, leading to a range of negative effects on your body. Just one slice of watermelon can provide you with a significant amount of this essential nutrient, helping you achieve a sense of calm and focus throughout the day. Did you know that watermelon could also support your heart health? Lycopene is the same antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color, and it has been linked to many health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease. And because watermelon is so hydrating, it can also help support healthy blood pressure levels, making it a great choice for anyone looking to support their cardiovascular system. Number 3. Muscle recovery magic. Eating watermelon every day can also have some pretty interesting effects on your muscles. When you consume citrulline, your body converts it into arginine, which then increases the production of nitric oxide. This increased blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscle cells, which helps them recover more quickly from exercise-induced damage. So if you're an athlete or just someone who works out regularly, you may want to consider adding watermelon to your post-workout recovery routine. Number 4. Skin and glow-up grains. Watermelon is not only good for your heart and muscles, but it can also do wonders for your skin. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental stressors, such as pollution and UV radiation. In fact, dermatologists have found that increasing vitamin C intake through diet or supplementation can significantly improve skin health and appearance, whether you prefer to eat it fresh, frozen, or in a smoothie. This hydrating fruit is a delicious and refreshing way to get your daily dose of vitamin C. Number 5. Brain and mood boost. You already know that watermelon is hydrating, supports your heart health, reduces muscle soreness, and improves skin health. Watermelon is a great source of vitamin B6, which is an essential nutrient for maintaining optimal brain function and supporting a positive mood. Studies have shown that people who consume foods high in vitamin B6 have lower levels of depression and anxiety, as well as improved cognitive function and memory. Not only is it a delicious and refreshing way to get your daily dose of vitamin B6, but it's also a great source of hydration and antioxidants. The shocking truth about watermelon is that it can be both beneficial and harmful to your health, depending on how much you consume. The natural sugars in watermelon can be harmful to those with diabetes or individuals who are trying to lose weight. Additionally, consuming large amounts of watermelon can lead to weight gain, as it can cause excess sugar accumulation in the body, which is stored as fat. Furthermore, eating too much watermelon can cause digestive issues such as diarrhea and stomach cramps due to its high water and sugar content. Therefore, it is important to consume watermelon in moderation as part of a balanced diet to enjoy its health benefits without risking any negative consequences. Now that you know all the amazing things that watermelon can do for your body, it's time to give this superfood a try. But remember to consume it in moderation, especially if you have diabetes or are watching your carb intake. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they, too, can learn about this amazing fruit.